If your car is idling rough, hesitating on acceleration, or showing throttle-related issues, the throttle position sensor might need a reset. In this video, I'll go over 4 effective methods to reset your TPS. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start with the ECU relearn procedure. This method is common in all the vehicles and can work really well. First, make sure the vehicle is off. Turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Leave it on for 2 seconds, then turn it off for 10 seconds. Repeat this. On for 2 seconds. Off for 10 seconds, cycle once more. After that, start the engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes without touching the gas pedal. This allows the ECU to relearn the throttle's idle position. The second method is the manual reset by disconnecting the battery. To do this, turn the ignition off and disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes to clear any residual power. Reconnect the battery, turn the ignition to the ON position without starting the engine, and leave it there for about 10 seconds. Then, start the engine and let it idle for another 5 to 10 minutes. The ECU should begin relearning the idle and throttle settings during this time. Keep in mind, this may reset more than just the TPS, like your radio presets and stored ECU settings, and it's not always the most precise method. Next is the scanner-based method using an OBD2 tool. You'll need a diagnostic scanner for this. Just plug the scanner into the vehicle's diagnostic port, then navigate through the menus. Usually something like powertrain, then ECM, then special functions. Look for options labeled TPS reset, throttle body relearn, or idle learn. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include turning the ignition on or off, or holding the gas pedal down. After the reset, start the engine and let it idle while observing the throttle angle on the scanner to confirm it's functioning correctly. This is honestly one of the most accurate ways to reset a TPS on many vehicles. Finally, there's the throttle body cleaning method, followed by a TPS reset. Sometimes, carbon buildup around the throttle plate can interfere with TPS readings. To fix this, clean the throttle body using a proper throttle cleaner while the engine is off. Once clean, use any of the previous methods to reset the TPS. Afterward, let the engine warm up to operating temperature and allow it to idle, or take it for a drive with varied throttle inputs to help the ECU relearn the sensor data more effectively. This combo can really solve both mechanical and electronic TPS-related issues. These 4 methods give you a solid approach to resetting your throttle position sensor, whether you're driving a classic cable throttle car or a modern drive-by-wire vehicle.